I hope you love almond cake as much as I do. I have this fabulous recipe that I want to share with you, and it is so simple. Pronto? Allora andiamo a cucinare. Ciao, my name is Lucia, and thank you for tuning into Green Olive Cooking, where you're only a few ingredients away from a great meal. And today's ingredient list couldn't be any more simple. To start off, we're going to cream some sugar and some butter that I have here in this bowl. You want to make sure your butter is softened. We're also going to add in some almond butter, a little bit of almond extract, as well as some vanilla extract. And then we want to continue creaming. Now we need to add cake flour. But if you're like me, you probably don't have cake flour always laying around, and I hate to go buy it because I never use it, but you can actually make your own cake flour. So how to make it, it couldn't be any more simple, is just taking some cornstarch, and I've got about a tablespoon of cornstarch that I'm going to add into my measuring cup. And now I'm just going to take my flour and just continue to fill the cup until it is 2/3 full. And now I have cake flour. It's that simple. So I'm going to add this to my creamed mixture, and we're going to continue to mix. Now I've got a buttered cake pan that I've lined with parchment paper. I'm going to add my cake to, and we just want to evenly spread this out. Now that we've evenly spread it out, we're going to put it in our 350-degree oven until it is cooked. So our cake is now done, it's cooled, and so I'm going to make the icing to go on top of it. It's still a little bit warm because I do want this icing to kind of melt over it. So I've got about 1/3 of a cup of icing sugar, or powdered sugar, and I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of water, and you have to be really careful with icing sugar that you don't add too much liquid. And I am gonna add just a little bit of almond extract because I want to continue building on the almond flavor of the cake. And we'll just whisk this up until it's all combined. The other thing you can do if you don't want to use almond extract, you could use an almond liqueur if you wanted to do that, so that would be in place of the water, just the almond liqueur and the powdered sugar. That would give you plenty of almond flavor. Now I'm going to take this icing sugar, and I'm just going to kind of drizzle all along the cake here like this. Make this beautiful little pattern. And then when I get to the end, I'll just go back to the beginning until all my sugar is used up. Now I want to take some almonds, thinly sliced almonds, and I just kind of want to sprinkle some on the top, just to give a nice little texture to the top of the cake. There we have our great almond tort. And if you love this recipe, I have another great dessert recipe over here, and I will meet you over there. Ciao, ci vediamo dopo.